Hi, and welcome to this video on how to buy USDT on Binance. First, log into your Binance account. In the top left corner, click on Buy Crypto. You'll see an option to purchase with a credit card pop up, just like on the screen. The currency I'm using to buy USDT is Euro, but you can choose any other currency by selecting the drop-down menu. In this example, I'm buying 100 euros worth of USDT, which is approximately $107.55 USDT. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Buy USDT. This will take you to the credit card details page, where you'll need to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVC code. After filling in these details, click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to confirm the transaction with your bank by entering a verification code. Once you've done that, click Buy, and that's how you purchase USDT on Binance. Another method is converting existing coins on Binance into USDT, as most coins on Binance can be traded for or purchased with USDT. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.